Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you this bronzed summer sun-kissed look. And of course, I'll be showing you how it sits on my acne-prone textured skin. However, it photographs beautifully and does not appear cakey in real life. So don't forget to subscribe if you enjoy my content or want to see more of me. And here's this look on multiple occasions, as well as the outcome today in the form of Polaroids, because you know, it goes with the aesthetic. I've put my mirror here so that I can see what's going on. I've done my brows already because they're a bit of a mess right now. I shaved them off 2 weeks ago. Just the tails to get like a fox eye look, see if I liked it. To be honest, I think I looked evil and it was just a bit too much, but obviously they grew back literally within a week. So they've grown back, but they're just a bit harder to fill in. It would take ages and whatever. So to begin with, I do have primers. The first one I have is the Estee Lauder Mattifying Shine Control one, which is like a sample-ish size. When you spend a certain amount, you get like little miniature products, so that one. And then I have the Girl On, which is like 24 karat gold flexes in there, whatever. I'm gonna use this. So basically, I'm not actually a big primer person. I know obviously that primer is expensive. So yeah, this primer is really nice. It creates like a nice glowing look. It's refreshing. It's probably definitely not worth the price. Basically, my skin at the moment is doing okay. It's still got the loads of marks, a bit red. Redness is definitely coming up. This here is from waxing. You're not supposed to wax when you're using retinol. Totally aware of that. But I waxed here. I waxed my eyebrows. They were fine except this little area. So today I wanted to create my like go-to makeup look for when I am wearing makeup. This is literally what I will be wearing. It's a much fuller coverage to just, you know, diminish my redness or whatever. Some of the looks I just like to have them peeping through. I'm not bothered. But generally, if I'm gonna do my makeup and I want it to be more flawless, then this is the kind of makeup I'll do. It's very easy, very simple. I like to start with base because of my marks on my face. It just helps me to see the look coming together with that flawless, seamless base. My favourite foundation is the Estee Lauder Double Wear. Like, I've repurchased this so many times. Anyway, the colour I'm in is Cashew, but I've also been matched to Tawny. I had a sample of that. There's some Estee Lauder samples were the ones I got anyway, are really good. It lasts like at least 10 days. And I love to mix it with my NARS Sheer Glow. So NARS Sheer Glow isn't ideal for somebody with acne-prone, oily skin. The proof's in the name, Sheer Glow. But I love this foundation because it's so natural on the skin. It's light, but you can build it up. It's just so lovely. So I mix it and I just have a drop of this for that sheer glow. But realistically, if you are breaking out, this is not something you want to use. However, Estee Lauder Double Wear is oil-free, does provide great coverage, and you can really build up to full coverage. So these two combined. So I've just zoomed you guys in so that we can see this foundation going onto the skin. My face is definitely pale, so I like to add colour to it with my foundation. That's about the amount. So sometimes I will go in with the Vichy Dermablend concealer stick. I find this really, really good. But today, for the time being, I'm just gonna let the foundations do the work. So you guys can see that I've got obviously a lot here. I like to apply it to that area. So for the eyes, I like to use warm bronzy colours and browns. Perfect palette for that is the Jackie Aina Anastasia Beverly Hill palette. This section here, love those. So I'm going to probably use a bit of ginger in edges today. For browns, I like my Chanel Ombre Quad palette. It doesn't really have a name, I don't know what to call it. It's just very simply 3 matte browns and then 1 sort of dark rusty rouge, which is really pretty. When I tried to get this one, they were sold out, and I got this last year for my birthday. And the lady at the time, when I wanted to get that one and it wasn't in stock, she told me that this one was very similar, and I was like, oh okay, let me have a look at it. So this is literally 3 years old and falling apart and has tape on it and everything. So the similarity is with this rouge colour, similar to the Chanel one, and this dark brown, which is really, really lovely. This is like a pastel orange peachy colour. I don't use it a lot, if ever really. However, the highlight colour I love, it's so pretty. When it comes to the eyes, I do like to prime because I have hooded eyes, so there's not particularly a lot of eyeshadow space, and anything is going to transfer to the top and it just honestly will disappear instantly. I'm just going to apply this pretty much all over my lid. And rub it in. It's just a really light, it's a really light primer, you don't feel it on your lids or anything. Then from the Chanel palette, I'm going to take the light brown colour. So yeah, once that's on and the primer has become less sticky because it's stuck to that eyeshadow, so then that will be it. Put in with the colour Ginger across my crease. I'm going to use the Rimmel London Exaggerate Eyes Waterproof Eye Definer, they call it. For mascara, I've got the Max Factor, what is it called? Fusion False Lash Effect in the colour Black Brown. And because I've allowed my foundation to sit and soak into the skin, I don't mind swirling it in this shape and a little bit on the tip of my nose. Right there, honey, and just down the bridge of my nose. That's all I care to highlight shade. I've packed on quite a bit actually, and I'm gonna put it here, all the way across here.
To complete the look, I am filling in my lips with a dark brown just to create a bit of shadow and a slight, honestly the tiniest overline. And then I'm going to go in with a peach matte lip, and I actually did a bit of gloss over the top of that, just clear gloss. And then of course I'm setting it all in place with some setting spray, and that is the finished look.
So the lighting down here is a lot easier to show you guys what the makeup actually looks like sitting on the face in person, and without some blinding sunlight disrupting it. So I'm going to zoom in so you guys can see. So this is it in natural light. You can still see some of my marks, but to be honest, if I'd gone over with concealer and it would just build up and create more texture on the skin, so I would rather have it showing through. So I'm going to take some pictures in different lighting and maybe some video clips so you guys can see how it looks on different photography platforms. I don't know, the phone, my camera, video, and obviously in person you'll never properly see it. I don't have a 4K camera, but you can pretty much see it in this lighting when I've zoomed in, the texture on the skin and how it actually sits. So that pretty much concludes this video, and thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this, please do like it, because I'm not sure if I want to do more makeup videos if people are actually interested, particularly relating to skincare, you know, covering redness and acne and dealing with texture on the skin. I would love to do some more, but I just want to know if you guys actually enjoy it. So all in all, please subscribe if you do want to see more videos from me. Bye.